getting rid of some cars from the yard that aren't ours this morning. Good job we got that massive thing there, isn't it? Look, the other day I wrote SJ on the car, and Megan has written Pob also. That's their nickname for me, Pob. All with love, I think. What's your favourite car here?
What, a Mustang?
I actually didn't tell him to say that either. I actually didn't. She's a beast. What's your favourite car here?
It's got to be the pickup. Down there, the black one.
Good choice, good choice. It's like a dog on a lead.
Come on, sit come on. What?
I'm just a
Nearly there. Just a little bit more to go. It's too cold there. It's freezing! My nose is cold. Here he is. The man. There he is. We've got lots of painting going on today. We're actually in the Defender at the moment, and I'm having a little ride. Hey, you got no roof. Oh. We're in another car. Oh shit.
Close enough to go.
Yeah.
You actually work on it from now, right?
You could, yeah. It's got like a nice seat that's soft that you could do some work. But yeah, and I was away for a little while, a few days on another job, and look, Dom took the bloody roof off. As you probably noticed in that last video. Lots of stuff going on. Oh, like all the way. Cool, yeah.
Set it up, push in, go for it. No, we've got it. That's it, next one. Smashed it.
Yay! That was fun. What's going on?
I was just changing the shocks, putting on a 2-inch lift.
Oh, he's having a lift.
On the lift. So I'm just going to see if it's the right ones first. And put these in the poison. That's one side done.
Woo!
Super nice, isn't it?
What have you just made? A barbecue table. This looks amazing.
What's going on?
Yeah. It literally took him about 2 seconds to make. He's just got the fucking grinder thing out and the welder and the
Chopping, slicing, dicing, and gluing it all back together
exactly, yeah. Wow, look. Now we have a barbecue table.
Shit.
Oh no, it's alright. We'll put it back on. We'll be alright.